there are cookies. And then there are soft, warm, Pillsbury ready-to-bake cookies made with mini Hershey's Kisses. See the difference?
One more second! Wow! We're practicing for your Rita Sega. Taco, Bedford, Potato, and the full 5 for Dr. Policy, and your call then the next time. Let's all go to the lobby restaurant for Queen and all the issues. And therefore your Princess Iris on congratulations to previously test is over sailor to the test and for the YTV spoon. And the girl Smiley for movie theater and Columbia Star Trek. And girls of movies and your contest Simplex own it. Peters introducing Monsters Incorporated Ice Age Clock Stoppers. And Lollipop on the treats all this collection. Good job for your intro to great your for Call Me Mommy and the Reese's and you love the girls and it's so bad and you go yum chocolate. Introducing Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Cookie Monster, Pillsbury Cookies, Hershey's Milk Chocolate, Nutella, YTV Dragon Ball Z is over, and previous custodian new program break, only for Rogers Wireless, mobile phones. YTV contest time. Every girls and your boys are the 4 M&M's in the Lust and Mistake Alex one. Creamy Cannel and Caramel Taste. Caramel contest February. For chocolate chip cookies with s'mores and Nutella every time. Smile! If you mix it, to dip in your for combination cake. And inspire for Hershey's Milk chocolate bars. And you crack it up in your chocolate chip smile. It cause like us, idiot. It's still here for next time. The hazelnut spread introduce a coconut bread and open up. And Pillsbury Big Deluxe chocolate chip cookies and Nutella Hershey's Milk chocolate. I don't want your fucks for yourself and want your boats for your burn your trees. The Taraba, the Gaku, Dramatic, on all scared alone. Spike, don't be scared of anything, I'm dramatic. White Guardian Potato and the Older Pride. The Breaker, touchdown for David and Wood Johnson, what a gun to base center. Garden, return the night and all the things. Warrior the Pillsbury chocolate chip cookies. And they look right to the river part of it. I thought I'd go way boy. Introducing Pillsbury ready to bake chocolate chip cookies. New cookie delicious. Woohoo! Try the Hershey's and Cadbury caramel cookies. Going out tomorrow and Dad and Mommy makes you Eve. Good. Here you go for dinner. Introducing Italian pasta for spaghettis and fries and chicken and that's good work. Having your great beef and your wolfen. Introducing Italian pasta and fractionized full length. That's back for guaranteed. America baby doll. Look what your bears not included. Eat your simply. You wash! Inside of us, so white as air with a burger. Outside for you, while you're great, the base limit. While your cancer with King Chuck Couch will visit with you. I will get what your granddad drive. Introducing for baseline and production of Big Builder. Production for baseline and this world of victory. Let's go party. Tell a Barbie girl to your sentences. Your Toys R Us, yeah, your fake pepper. Why you're what David is and time it is. Let's go! Wow, with it, bang, like a big thing on your gun. And the power jumping in. All right, good. Somebody say your bake is starting to. Oh, every time for it. Tell a Barbie and your Toys R Us, not shop for each so separate. Last time you're forever. Oh, your Frieza and your touchdown with computer. On your Olympics and you call it next time for Dragon Balls and Frieza and your Vigaku vs Vegeta. I'll be for console. While your best warrior, warrior dramatic. You're a walk to Frieza Sega and your Goku vs Vegeta. While Piccolo, what change here and it was forever. Warriors, congratulations, came out at top. Mommy for pull-up tips. Why you're a big kid? No, for Huggies pull-up system. I go for y'all 4 kids. Healthy safe. I wear costume. I use more sometimes in a Huggies pull-up training system. 3 times a Casey has a baby. I'm the best take for it. Easy buys. Say, open it up. I'll be good with your Huggies pull-up and in training pen system. I'm a big kid now. Wash it off. Come on, hello, Brad. So you're going to Toys R Us, you're going to sign up for entertainment. You're ready for your carefully basketball. Oh, yes. In the Brad's Toys and you everyone. Hey, look, Windows and the mirror. Got a Franklin. Boom. And you for your movies. Oh, shit. And your train and the sun ancestor. And so you're like one ball of the ball done. And the Richard and Bracky Toys and BG and your corners up. Brad's Toys, the Monday for everyone to read to team. Ready, set, go! Why did you jump for me, babe? Why did you go back? Why did you ready with a date for me? Onto the possibility, do you Hot Wheels, cars and wheels and the track. Not going to peel that for skin. Why did it go your way and coming back? Woo-hoo! McDonough Happy Meal. And we slices. Woo! Hot Wheels, radical and crazy for hurry. French bedroom furniture on the islands of Arizona are the continent labels furniture galleries. About your clean your teeth for your toothpaste and your organization. Play up the game for the Looney Tunes and Dragon Ball Z and Naruto Aqua Fresh Extreme Toothpaste. What's ability while you're dizzy and simple cuts for Pillsbury ready to bake chocolate chip cookies with Nutella hazelnut spread with waffles. Don't be a judge, your issues. The Sleeping Beauty and your dates or your down was skyscraper and Marine technology and mobile phone. Can trust you and make this talk. The chocolate vanilla or chocolate. Big Wolf and Campus Sundays at 11:30. While you're graded, while you're going to Sega, while you're garbage and all the issues. Baby while you're plus, you're locked down, while the signal. Whoa, you're guarded, you're an expressway. Now just baby for your attention, so please find out for your exits next time episode of Dragon Ball Z. Prepare on one big mysterious yell while you graduate for an experience and all the way along the road. While the stairs, Vegeta and Goku. Stay tuned, since it's for the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. Go to your desk for your mommy for your Checkments ice cream. For Pillsbury ready-to-bake chocolate chip cookies. Love is vial for your gift cards. Introducing dominant grocery store Loblaws. This year for later in 2002. Kid Boo, Mention Boo, and Fight Vegeta in all jobs again. Battle for Universe begins. All the crush ever for your tournaments, trucks, Swiffer's, Cotton for phone call, and pick on for turn around. It's all the issues. Got his close to so I can hear you. And safe in bed, it comes to over. Find out on the next episode time on Dragon Ball Z. For ice cream, Dragon Ball Z Nice Treat Contest January 2002. Sorry not to question. Everybody is all the same. One every time the basic and Montreal of Canada. Vancouver's a unif and rivals. And martial arts become for all the continues. And for your next time, we'll find out in every way for the motorcycle. Wonderful for call 1-800-337. Not cat for sorry. And you're not too experimental. Call 1-800-FREEDOM-55 and actional. For a paying and shoes, Reese's Puffs. While you're sorry in the subway, your station, and your forest and technology. Show your head and let's go. That picture, the wrap interior is over and now checkout. And you find us next time when always like you. Because, and like you're graduating and certified. Let's go for breakfast here at Reese's Puffs. It's coming for breakfast. Let's go out and McDonald's everywhere. Wash and wear the tight laundry detergent for the rain that pours down. Why do you want the hockey sports and the one your wedding set? All the madness and for your year virtual warehouse and combination MC and dragging the making creative music and Barbie and the amazing nails and girl bye. Barbie, what you wear for bicycle? You just have me a quarter wash and Spence and Gretel Barbie. Text from the credits and after you Yu-Gi-Oh! And pause for your cards and every step of the way mistake. Hi, excuse me, I trust you and you're craving you and Smarties and for your what and your soundtrack and the bubbles and the party someone. And like you and the children because of the date. It's still light guns and roar of the Yu-Gi-Oh! To blast. Yu-Gi-Oh! Tonight. On the next episode of Dragon Ball Z, Arachne, Frieza, Sega, and Vegeta, where your coach began, where the songs and the motivation were housed up, where they're often where your dice up, where the cookies, where they're all the chocolate bars. Now the Frieza, where the Sega, where the Cha-Cha freelance, then find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. Make some Pillsbury ready-to-bake chocolate chip cookie dough. Girls, Molly, Gabber, Turbans. One every time. Together at one. Super fries. Every woman step of the way. Kids like your girls. Children be children. Next time it is. Wonder every bake by heart. Nestle drumstick. Breakfast activities. Walmart Food Treats Canada. Open your eyes. Congratulations to the test. Pillsbury cookies, M&M's, or Harry Carmack. Drumstick. McDonough. On the next episode of Dragon Ball Z, Gahu favorites Vegeta, Gaga Radio say a bit crazy about the squares. Mr. Rogers' neighborhood goes to school, Sesame Street. Kid is awesome. Frieza, Super Saiyan free. Attacks, magic in the kitchen. Well, here comes. More find outs next time on Dragon Ball Z. Pillsbury ready-to-bake cookies, Nutella, Hershey's milk, chocolate ice cream, Dairy Milk, M&M's, or Henry. Contest time. Today, find out next time on Dragon Ball Z, Sundays at 12 o'clock.